Hello my internet friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see some awesome website, related to colors and you can say color codes or color palettes for web developers and web designers. They are pretty awesome. So let's see one by one. So on the screen you can see the website called Coolors something COOLORS colors.co. So if you scroll down and if you click on start the generator, so in this you can see any random colors like shades, pretty shades, and one best features in that you can see upload image or URL or camera. So I have one URL. You can see this. I want these color codes of this particular image. So if I copy that and paste it here, and it will give me color codes of that particular image. So this is very helpful when you are doing web designing. So I want this, so you can see black color, and here yellow. So if I click next, open in generator, you can see all these shades. You can see little bit black, yellowish. So you can try it out and use in your web designing. I like this website. I have used in some designings. So you can see, you can also drag it. You can also drag and all. So next one is our UI gradients. So I have used this a lot when designing a web page. So these are some random colors. So if I click here, so gradients, you can see all these type of colors. And if I click on yellow, so you can see related to so sorry, if I click blue, so related to blue color you can see all different type of shades. And if I click this, you can click here to get CSS. You can copy it, or else you can change this right to bottom, bottom to right, and all gradients. And you can also scroll this right. So this was UI gradients. Next one is our colors dot Neil orange peel, unique name. So this is the website name. I will give all the website links in the description. So you can see similar to your gradients, it has something whole bunch of color. So if I click yellow, so related to yellow, it is giving all different shades, which I think it's looking good. So you can see different light yellow, similar red. You can see a red color. So this was our third website. Fourth one is Coolord. I don't know how to spell it. COLRD. So this is website. In this images are there related to that image. They have given colors. So if I click this parrot, and you can see the colors which are present in this particular image. So if I hover on this, you can see all the colors code. You can click and copy to your web designing part. You can also take at RGB or SSL. So this is Colord, so COLRD. Next one is ColorHunt. ColorHunt is awesome finishing color. So if I click this type of color, you can see they are pretty uh, fine colors and plain colors. You can use this in your websites. Like if I click pastel colors, you will get bunch of pastel color, different type of pastel color. You can also click neon colors. which is awesome. Dark colors like dark shades and all. So this was our fifth website, COLORHUNT. Next sixth website is uh, randoma 11y, something randoma 11y. So this is random stuff like random colors gives random color. If I click skip, you can see this plum color, midnight blue, navy blue, skip, outer space. So this can be used in your web designing. So looks awesome color with the textures. So next website is from CSS tricks, uh, HSL Explorer. So this provides HSLA Explorer. So you can, if you drag this and change the colors related to HSL values they provide, so you can see the darker shade and the color change. Wow, it is green, looks awesome. So which is provided by CSS tricks. You can use this for if you want the shadings and all. In our list, the last one is Designseeds.com. This website looks like old 90s website, but which is fabulous website. So this is similar to that image and gives the colors, but here are some unique colors. You can see if I click this one, okay, add. So next thing you can see here, see you can see the colors. So so awesome colors, like finishing is so good, texture plain textures, and here are the color codes. You can see hex colors. Similar way you can search for other colors too related to images. So you can see here. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching and take care.